This is the brief on the essential Spanish verb llamarse. So you're ready to introduce yourself in Spanish, right? Well, this is the verb you need, llamarse. It literally means to call oneself, and it's absolutely the key phrase for saying my name is. First, just lock this one phrase in your brain. Yo me llamo. Okay? Well, it translates to I call myself. Honestly, just think of it as my name is. It's the standard way to do it so you can start any conversation and sound totally natural. Second, let's quickly get why it's structured like that. See, it's a reflexive verb, which just means the action reflects back on the person speaking. That's why you need those little pronouns in front. So for yo, or I, you use me, yo me llamo. For the casual you, tú, it's te. So, tú te llamas. And for a formal you, or he, she, you use se llama. Finally, you've got to know the different ways to say you, because this is all about being polite. You've got tú te llamas for friends and casual chats. But for showing respect, you must use usted se llama. When you're talking to a group like you all or they, it's se llaman. Just a quick note, if you're in Spain, you'll hear vosotros os llamáis for the casual you all. Look, get these main conjugations down and you have officially unlocked how to introduce yourself confidently anywhere in the Spanish-speaking world.